Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to Home Goods. Guys, I'm excited. Let's do this, okay? So I'm looking at these melamine bowls. These are serving bowls, guys. Look at this. This one is $9.99, guys, and just randomly placed. And then they have that one there, but I can't get to that one. Look at this flamingo one. Is that not cool? I love that. That's $9.99, guys, and look at the serving bowls over there. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. And there's the turtle bag, and there's the crab bucket. I'm loving this stuff, guys. Look at this. So this is $9.99, and then look at this tray. This is like all beach decor, nautical decor. I'm absolutely loving it, guys. I don't see a price on it. Oh my goodness. And then here is your tote bag. And here's some more of these. I don't know why. This stuff always reminds me of boho stuff. So that's $7.99. Then you have some like steamer type plates with the covers, and I'm absolutely loving. This is by Tahari, guys, and this is reduced to $3. Isn't that color gorgeous? I love it. Okay, so we have some of that stuff here. So let's go over here. All right, so this rooster right here, $16.99. Then you have this little guy right here. It's a coffee cup, and that's $2.99. Look at this rooster. I love that. It's $29.99 for that, guys. Then you have this humongous utensil mason jar. So that is $7.99. Then you have these canisters up here, okay? So this one is $7.99 and this one is $9.99. The big one in the center is $12.99. I'm not sure how big that tray is over there. I just looked. I couldn't get the price. Then you have, I don't know, I think these signs are pretty cool. These are, it's a trivet, okay, but I can't get a price. I think they're really cool because you can separate them any way that you want, as wide as you want. So here is a stainless steel utensil tin, $7.99. And look at this cute little tier tray. This is the tiniest tier tray. Okay, so that one is $9.99. They have two of those. Then they have this banana holder for $7.99, and I'm loving this. This is made of that concrete, I guess. My kitchen, my rules. And then look at these beautiful looking serving casserole dishes. So this, look at that. It's like a cake dish. It's $14.99. And look at that bottom, guys. The detail is unbelievable. Look at that gold serving set for $9.99. Then you have this banana holder here, and there it is in silver. These dishes here, they look like the plastic dishes, the plastic plates, guys, the paper plates, but they're not. They're plastic, and they're reduced to $8. So here's another serving set in a bronze for $9.99. And then look at this. It's like a coffee grinder for $19.99, guys. I never seen that. Happiness is homemade canister. Let's see if I can. $7.99. And there's another one of the mason jar utensil holders. So this right here, guys, is plastic, $5.99. Let's see what. And another one of that set. Then up here, guys, you have the banana holders and the wine racks. Some chopping blocks, guys. And look, you have a sign over here that says beer. That's the first time I ever seen that. Okay, so this hand soap, honey almond, $3.99. And then this paper towel holder is $5.99. And look at those beautiful, gorgeous trays and wine rack. So this wine rack right here, guys, is $16.99. And the other one too. So this is like this galvanized metal. It has like it's sectioned off into 6, $14.99. Here's another one of those wooden cake plates, and look at this tray. It's made in Thailand. That's gorgeous, guys. Then you have some more 3 tiers here, some more trays here. Look at this canister. This one is $9.99. And here's a rooster spoon rest. That's pretty cool. $3.99. Isn't that a beautiful arrangement, guys? That arrangement right there is $34.99, and that one was reduced to $29.99. And look at that one on the bottom, and look at the size of that lantern. Absolutely gorgeous. So these guys are dry flowers, and let me see if they have a price on the bunch. I don't know. Then you have those stakes for the ground. Okay, guys, so you have that. Look at that. They have an orchid over there. This arrangement right here is $29. And look at those orchids, guys. And you have them all along the top over there. Then you have the animals. These go outside. Look at this dog. Aww. Let's see. I think I can lift him. Yeah, he's not that heavy. So he's $24.99, guys. Let me see if this dog is $24.99. $19.99 for him. Then you have this one over here. Isn't that, aren't they pretty? I think they're so cute. I can't lift them all, but that's what they look like, guys. And then you have these humongous pots over here. So this one is $16.99, and so is this one. Then you have these. These were reduced to $22. Look at the size of them. And look at those down there. So over here you have this frog statue, and I'm not sure what the other ones are, but I'll just scan that for you guys so you could see. Then if we come over here, let me show you what they have here. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Let me see. Okay, these are, I can't turn that around with one hand, guys, but I can show you. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at these. And these. So, okay, look at this. Now we go from all this Asian stuff to this pig. Isn't that funny? There's just random decor. They don't keep the decor together. So this is $19.99 for those pigs. And then you have these bugs on a bike. That's a dog on a bike and a bee on a bike. $29.99 for those. And then you have these pots, guys. And of course you have some more of these. Look at the size of this humongous pot right here, guys. And it is plastic though. It doesn't look plastic, but it is. That's $39.99. And then you have some more of these up here. And then this lady right here is $16.99. So guys, thought I'd show you this. So look at these two. Look at these two chilling out on this warm day. Could you believe that's $129.99, guys? Look at that. Wow. So let me show you some more of this Asian stuff. A lot of Asian things in this section here. And then you have the dog randomly placed there, and there's the frog. And look at this one. Isn't he adorable? So this one here is $29.99. I wish I could lift these Asian statues so I can tell you how much they are. Then you have some wreaths and some more flower pots over there. And then you have, I believe this is Buddha. I'm not really sure. Then you have some hedgehogs down there. Just want to show you this section real quick. There's some hedgehogs down there. Here is some succulents. And these chairs, guys, how much are they? $99.99. Those are really nice. And look at these. Look at the owls. And look at the wind chimes, guys. These wind chimes are $14.99. Aren't they gorgeous? And I'm loving those hydrangea. So here they have this. These are wind chimes. That wind chime is so pretty, guys. See her? The butterfly? That's gorgeous. All right, guys. Thank you for coming with me to Home Goods. And look, I'm absolutely loving this. Every time I come in here, I run into this. I'm going to have to get this. How much is she anyway? She is $24.99. Guys, I think she's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, guys. Thank you for coming with me to Home Goods. I had an awesome time here today, and I will see you guys in the next video.